guys, it's Blair with Revit Auto, and we are standing in the Comp Performance Group. We're going to go over some fast fuel injection systems, and Sean's going to go ahead, take it over, and educate us on what new products they have available.
All right, folks, we'll give you a quick rundown of our line. Starting on the left side, we've got our self-programming systems, mostly geared around your mild to moderate applications. Our 1.0 system is fuel control only, no timing control. And we typically have it paired with our 4-injector throttle body, good up to about 650 horse.
Now this is what I'm familiar with. This is what I put on a 66 Mustang with a 331 stroker.
Definitely.
And that thing is out now in Ireland where they have different fuels and it's running awesome.
Oh, it's a wonderful system. It's your entry-level option that will give you the best in drivability, economy, and handle a pretty good bit of performance.
Yeah.
And you'd set that up with your typical, mechanical over vacuum advanced distributor,
right,
and you've got a great running driving vehicle. Our next step up from there is our EZ20 system that gives you full fuel control and timing control. Also self-tuning. We've got it paired most often with our 8-injector throttle body, with a supporting fuel system will handle up to 1,200 horsepower.
Now, is that 1,200 horsepower NA or with a boosted application?
That would be NA. Boosted application, you're going to take probably about 20% off of that.
Okay, cool. So you guys can flow enough air through this thing to support 1,200 horsepower naturally aspirated.
Definitely, and really your fuel system is your limiting factor.
Mm-hmm.
If you really wanted to get serious about it, upgraded the fuel system, a little bit bigger injectors, you might even be able to go a little more than that.
Okay. Cool.
If you start going down that road though, we're going to recommend you step over to our programmable systems. So obviously I've been a car builder my whole life. I'm the guy that wants to get in, plug in my laptop. If I'm diagnosing, chasing down issues, or just tuning a more intricate application, I want to be able to go in and dial in the fuel tables, dial in my air fuel ratios. So we've got our XFI Street system that we're releasing here at the show, which is the programmable version of the 1.0.
Wow.
Again, fuel control, you run your own timing system. Then we've got our XFI Sportsman, which is a programmable version of our 2.0. This system does about 80% of what our full XFI race system does.
Wow.
So with some added features of the 2.0, we can handle 5-bar boost, single-stage nitrous.
Wow.
All of your timing control, your AFR tables, everything you can do on our full race system, just about in this box.
Wow, that's crazy. So now, do these actually come with a handheld controller?
The self-tuning systems come with our color touchscreens you can see up front here.
Okay.
Our programmable systems, you'll use a laptop,
All
which
right.
includes our CCOM software,
Okay.
all the cables, and the drivers you'll need.
So I've worked with the 1.0 version. I've put that on a motor before, really easy to use. But you're talking about having full tuning capabilities later down the road, and what type of support do you guys have to help anyone that's having issues with tuning, or is it super intuitive, and if you've messed with any of this stuff before, you're pretty much ready to rock and roll?
Our systems are legendary. We're one of the legacy brands in the fuel injection industry. So our software is extremely intuitive, and once you've learned how to navigate it, you can go all the way back to our fast classic systems of 20 years ago. All the tables, all the controls are the same all the way up through our XFI and our full race XFI systems.
Wow. Yeah, that's killer. So pretty much what you're saying is that because I've had experience with this, the rest of this line moving forward is going to be really simple for me to continue working down the line.
Exactly. And one of the great parts about our fuel injection system line is we can mix and match pieces.
So this is all modular?
It's all modular.
Wow.
So for example, we were talking earlier to a gentleman who has basically he's got a dual carb roots blower system. So we have a package with our XFI Sportsman and our dual 4-injector throttle body set.
Because he's working on his own timing, he just needs to control fuel.
Exactly.
That is killer.
We have a lot of folks who want the advantage of a 2.0 system with a fuel and timing control, but let's say it's only on a 300 horsepower application, they don't need our 1,200 horse throttle body, so we'll pair that with our 4-injector throttle body.
Wow. All right, that's awesome. Well, I'm really excited to test out some of these new products and some of our future builds that we have going on, and I really appreciate you showing me everything here. Guys, it's again, this is Blair with Revit Auto. We are in the Comp Performance booth. We are looking at the EZ-EFI, and this is SEMA 2019.